Hello, welcome to the MoneyView on the American Report Card. I'm your host, Terry Burris. Thank you for joining us. And don't forget to click and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Well, today is Monday, August 10th, 2020. And I am here to give you some information and help put a few dollars in your pocket. Last week, the Dow Jones Industrial Average finished on a positive note after gaining 0.7% or 185.46 points. NASDAQ Composite also ended in positive domain territory for 7 consecutive days, surging 1% or 109.67 points. This marks the tech-heavy NASDAQ closing above 11,000 at a fresh all-time high of 11,121.19. As of S&P's 500's closing last week, it closed up 0.6% to end at 3,349.16. This was a 5-day winning streak for the S&P 500. The CBOE volatility closed down last week 1.5% to 22.65. And on last Thursday, a total of 9.69 billion shares were traded, lower than the last 20-session average of 10.39 billion. Advancers outnumbered decliners on the New York Stock Exchange by a 1.06 to 1 ratio. Now, the stock market is just open as stocks seem to be trading a little bit higher. A lot of it has to do with Trump's executive orders on coronavirus aid. The Dow Jones Industrial Average is up 0.56%. S&P 500 opened up 0.20%. NASDAQ Composite Index up 0.11%. Global Dow up 0.45%. And the 10-year Treasury note down negative 3.63%. European stocks turned a little lower as investors juggled tech optimism and economic gloom. But as of right now, the European main indexes, we see that the FTSE 100 is up 0.38%. The global DAX down 0.04%. The CAC 40 index up 0.39%. The FTSE MIB index up 0.40%. The IBEX 35 up 0.88%. Stocks Europe 600 up 0.33%. Asian markets are closed and everything is up except the Hang Seng down 0.63% and the Nikkei down 0.39%. Also, the FTSE Straits Times Index is down negative 0.53%. Kodak stock plunges as Twitter gains. Gold rises as U.S.-China tensions escalate. Now, the Saudi Aramco earnings plummet. A lot of this is due to investors having low confidence in Aramco's business practices and their transparency. But oil itself is up 2.50%. The US dollar is now in a bear market, and that's good for gold. This is the MoneyView on the American Report Card, and I'm your host, Terry Burris. Thank you for joining us.